It's so evident that I'm a winner, even when I am at my lowest. I walk with love, I speak with such a high vibration. In the darkest time, I shine so bright with a smile on my face. What is the point of complaining? Every day's a new day. I gotta give myself grace. Gotta stop being hard on me. I am worthy, aiming to be the greatest. Not seeking validation, myself I'm escaping from all of the things that I see.